What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best DSLR cameras in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 took home the title of the best entry-level DSLR camera on the market in 2023. It's ideal for beginners or advanced photographers with decent full HD recording and a screen that supports selfies. The traditional grip makes manual control easier than on smaller mirrorless cameras, while the Canon EF lens mount ensures compatibility with hundreds of high-quality lenses without an adapter. The key to a good entry-level DSLR is offering features that are easy to use, even for those less experienced. A camera should offer a ramp and a way to learn more, as well as top quality and performance for all levels of photographers. The Rebel SL3 does this easily and can deliver high-quality images to everyone. Its multi-directional screen and video functionality make it attractive for those who want to combine photography and video. Images from this camera look great, though it's not the most advanced model in its price range. However, HD video performance is very good. It has solid buttons and covers and no rattles, as well as quick buttons for ISO and on-screen display alongside the main aperture, shutter speed dial, and shooting mode dial. On the rear, there's a K button in between four-way multifunction dial, providing access to main shooting modes, while additional buttons provide direct access to live view, i.e. real-time preview. The touchscreen provides quicker access to many shooting functions, including focus point selection when using live view mode. The standout feature of this model is an adjustable 3-inch screen, which can swivel rotate points above below sides, mostly important front cameras. The focusing system combines 9-point phase detection systems when used optical viewer 143 dual-pixel AF system live views. Creative filter options lets creating Instagram-ready image straight from camera's Rebel SL3 has 10-option choosing batteries Canon's LP17 1040 mAh rechargeable pack, which promises up to 1070 shots, using viewfinder 320 using live view. However, weak intermittent shootings show full charges. Overall, images produced by the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 are impressive, reminding why it pays to use a DSLR over a compact camera or phone. The Canon EOS 90D is the answer to all the needs of enthusiast photographers in 2023. It boasts a 32.5 megapixel sensor and 4K video recording, which is a significant improvement over the 30 megapixel sensor and 1080p video recording capabilities on the outgoing 80D model. The camera also features an upgraded Digic 8 processor, allowing for faster burst speeds of up to 10 FPS, 45% faster than the 80D's 7 FPS. Dual pixel CMOS AF technology ensures quick autofocus when not using viewfinder. With this enhanced technology, you can quickly adjust settings and choose focus with absolute precision. You're also rewarded with a joystick-style control on the back of the camera, similar to that in Canon's 7D model, providing easy access to the most important settings. When it comes to image quality, it's clear that this higher megapixel count is beneficial for larger prints or intense cropping opportunities. Similarly, as you'd get from what a phone camera would offer, the device offers excellent performance, both in terms of speed and clarity, although it cannot match some compact system cameras in terms of rapid-fire shots. Nevertheless, when it comes to capturing moments as they happen with blurring accuracy, the 90D has few competitors at its price point in class. Overall, then, the Canon EOS 90D stands out as one of their premier enthusiast DSLR cameras available in 2023. It offers superior speed and image quality compared to its predecessor, while simultaneously introducing innovative technologies such as dual-pixel CMOS AF and joystick-style controls that make navigating your settings easier than ever before. This combination makes it an ideal choice for those looking to capture their life's precious moments with precision and stunning clarity. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The Canon EOS 1DX Mark III is the latest top model of Canon's SLRs, designed specifically for sports and action photography. With an array of new features and technologies, it truly stands out from the rest of the DSLR cameras. The first revolutionary feature of this camera is its autofocus system, with 191 points that use a block of pixels to focus via phase detection and a 400,000 pixel RGB plus IR metering sensor in the viewfinder. This advanced autofocus system works together with the RGB plus IR metering sensor to recognize shapes and colors with amazing accuracy, making it perfect even for subjects with fine details or diagonal lines. With continuous focus, it can easily track moving subjects and any obstacles between them and the camera with great precision. The Canon EOS 1DX Mark III also has an impressive burst speed of 16 frames per second in viewfinder mode and 20 frames per second in live view mode, a speed that can be sustained for long periods thanks to its Digic X image processor, large buffer memory, and fast CF Express memory cards, producing excellent image quality. Even at high sensitivities, you'll get no noise up to ISO 12800, and sharpness remains very good. Furthermore, white balance control performance is powerfully automatic, so you don't have to worry about color corrections or gradings in post-production. Enclosed in a weatherproof and dustproof body that can withstand blows, this DSLR is indeed reliable enough for any kind of adventure photographer. Its optimal performance makes it not only suitable as an amateur photography tool, but also as a professional one due to its incredible power combined with convenience. In conclusion, the Canon EOS 1DX Mark III combines innovation, accuracy, and speed, set against stunning image quality in a very robust body, making it truly one of the best professional DSLR cameras available today. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Up next, we present to you this silver medal and the title of the best runner-up DSLR camera in 2023. It's the Nikon D780. Strong in the hands, generous in size and shortcuts, and proud of its bulk and weight. In hands, it offers the feel and balance that SLR fans expect from models in this line, including, of course, the excellent SLR viewfinder with 100% coverage, double slot for fast SD cards, battery life that doubles to offer more than 2,000 shots per charge, viewfinder operation, and charging via the new USB-C port. The flip-up screen was already on the D750, but now it's also a touchscreen, always appreciated for navigating menus or selecting a focus point. Another novelty that some will like is an AF button to separate focus from shutter button, retaining the 51 focus points already offered by the D750. While improvements to the metering system and algorithms promise improved performance for action shots that require tracking, the focus area remains unchanged and centered on scene. The big leap comes when you lift a mirror and see the D780 is Nikon's first hybrid focus SLR. Just like D750, we have full-frame CMOS at 24 megapixels, though 5 years have passed between releases, so logically, there's a new generation sensor processor here too. When it comes to video, D780 offers almost the same as Z6, but without in-body stabilization. Huge leap in performance compared to D750 and any other SLR for video recording. To add to this, we have X-Speed 6 image processor and 24.5 megapixel sensor, which performs well even in dark situations with sensitivity extending up to ISO 51200 and providing clean image at high sensitivity. For recording, video camera allows UHD 4K at 30 frames per second or FHD up to 120 frames per second. Resolution 3840 by 2160 pixels. Recording mode supports HDR log gamma standard. Electronic recording modes also available for silent recording and integrated time-lapse mode. Metadata system lets you view footage like movie. The camera includes a 32-inch 2.36 million dot touchscreen, which can be pulled out for easy control, USB Type-C connectors, HDMI port, 3.5mm input jack and headphone jack. Enough for most users. Quality stuff. Finally, we present to you the gold medal and the title of the best overall DSLR camera in 2023, which went to the Nikon D850. This long-awaited upgrade from its predecessor, the D810, is more than worth the wait. What makes this one of the best full-frame cameras on offer are its impressive new technologies and features that have been introduced with it. To begin with, the 35.9mm by 23.9mm CMOS FX sensor is significantly larger than that of its predecessor at 45.7 megapixels, which gives users much greater scope for shots up to 820 pixels on the widest side and an increased ability to capture every detail in a photo conclusively. With its impressive sensor also comes a high degree of sensitivity, which translates into an exceptional dynamic range and outstanding low-light performance across a wide ISO sensitivity range from 64 to 25600 ISO. In addition, thanks to its autofocus system taken from Nikon's D5 Multicam 20x AF system, it offers blazing fast autofocus speeds and 153 focal points, 99 of which are cross-shaped, all of which make focusing on any subject, even those in motion or those in low-light conditions, easy and reliable for photographers looking for precision shots. Furthermore, its menu system features a touchscreen, making navigating menus far faster, as well as allowing data entry that's incredibly convenient, because any settings you choose can be stored in banks, so you can switch your entire camera setup quickly and easily whenever desired. SnapBridge has also been improved greatly, meaning users who maintain a constant connection between their devices like phones or tablets with their cameras can now transfer photos automatically, with even greater ease and efficiency than before too. All these features made taking great shots effortless and enjoyable for users according to their reviews, not just due to its big, bright OVF, but also fast focus abilities, great ISO performance capabilities, and fantastic RAW files, plus some new helpful features like touch to focus when shooting tricky overhead shots. So it's no surprise why this particular model has been voted as one of the best DSLR cameras available on today's market by professionals everywhere, because it really does offer so much more than most other models out there. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. So that's it for the top 5 best DSLR cameras in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.